Hello, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing, my dear beloved brothers and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nur Alam. Welcome back to my English habit. Actually, right now 6 a.m. Okay, especially this video, my brother uh, Morshed and Rahan. Okay, and as you can see, I am here. Okay, actually this is a public place, and every day I am trying every morning. Uh, I came here. Okay, so that's why uh, right now I came here and make video for you. Okay, actually this is a public place, and here every time play cricket and play football and another game. Okay, so actually this is a favorite place. uh, okay, and as you can see, airport is very near to me. Okay, and I see and my behind uh, young brothers, and as you can see coming here, and uh, he uh, walking and practice jogging. Okay, and as you can see, actually I have been I am very tired because I have been uh, running for 15 minutes. Okay, so that's why I am very tired. Okay, and I sit here and I make video just for you, my brother and sister. Okay, actually I am a very beginner learner, so that's why every day I am trying some video. Okay, make video. Okay, like shorts video or long video. Okay, and every day I make video, practicing video. Okay, like my daily routine share, and something motivational talk. Okay, and my daily routine. Okay, so that's why uh, in front of you. Okay, so today's weather, as you can see, very neat and clean, and this place very natural, like village type. Okay, and as you can see my beside a ponds, and here a dog, he's sleeping. Okay, uh, hello brother. So not speaking. Okay, no, not listen. Maybe I don't know. uh, okay, come to our main point. Actually this is a practicing video. Okay, so that's why I make video and practice my speaking level. Okay, so don't worry, I don't know what I say, and right or wrong doesn't matter, but uh, we want to uh, our level day by day improving. Okay, so that's why every day must be uh, speaking part very important. Okay, so if you want to really learn English, if you want to speak English properly, or if you want to communicate with other person, so every day you just uh, make video, like one video, two videos, or three videos, as your wish. Okay, so but I want to just only one things, at least every day one make video. Okay, if you are a beginner learner, at least one make video, because I prove it only just 2 months ago. Actually today 61 day. uh, okay, and actually I want to say uh, my English learning journey. Okay, actually, uh, uh, I have been practicing for 2 months. Okay, and I know only just 2 months ago I could not how to make video, like short sentence, like long sentence, but right now I am here. I am not a good speaker right now. I am every day I am learning, I am speaking and still learning. Okay, so I believe it. If you uh, want to speak English uh, properly, uh, and if you practice every day, inshallah, you will be success very soon. Okay, so just believe in yourself and every day just practice, like keep every day some sometime practice every day 10-minute speaking and 10-minute listening and 5 page reading and 5 page not 5 page 1 or 2 page writing. This is a very important for you if you are a beginner learner. Okay, so uh, every day many lot of no learn. Okay, every day just some learn, like uh, uh, but if you are a beginner learner, first time only focused just listening and speaking. Okay, first time just listening and speaking, uh, and listening part your input, okay, and speaking part your output. So if you want to more listening, your or speaking level, like your output day by day improving. Okay, so that's why speaking part and listening part very very important for you. Okay, and every day I am trying, uh, sometimes like at least 30 minute listening, and every day I make video in front of camera. Okay, like right now I make video in front of you. Okay, so speaking part very very important. If you are a busy person, or if you are a very busy person, at least every day you try just only one make video, not only 5 6 video, only just one make video, like 1 minute duration or 2 minute duration, but must be every day make video. Okay, uh, not stop your speaking, not stop your learning journey, just consistency make. I believe inshallah, if you are a beginner learner, you very soon your speaking level better. Okay, so just believe in yourself and keep learning, keep practicing, and every day just consistency and never give up. Okay, so I hope you learned something this video and enjoyed with me. So thank you so much for watching this video, and as you can see, uh, right now this field fully empty. Okay, and day by day my shyness, my skirt, uh, all everything removed. Okay, because uh, because uh, I am practicing 14 days public place. Okay, so that's why uh, day by day improving my confidence, day by day improving my uh, fluency. Pray for me. Uh, if I speaking better. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and enjoyed with me. So believe in yourself, and keep learning, keep practicing, and every day just consistency and never give up, because we want to better English speaking. Okay, so tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.